हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द स्टेप हेड यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे एक और फेलोशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी की, एंड दिस इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल फेलोशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो फेलोशिप इज़ पॉपुलेशन इथिक्स इन ह्यूमन राइट्स फेलोशिप. So I think if you are looking for some international programs working with the international organizations, I think this fellowship is for you. But before going ahead, just understand कि what is the fellowship. So obviously आपको बहुत effort लगाने की ज़रूरत है, और they are very serious and they are looking for young, dynamic and very talented youth. सो डेडलाइन है इसका 31 अगस्त. ड्यूरेशन इसका 12 मंथ है, जो फेबररी 2023 से शुरू होगा एंड जनवरी 2024 तक चलेगा. राइट, दिस इज लाइक फुली फंडेड फेलोशिप स्टाइपेंड के साथ है. राइट, सो यू डोंट वरीज. तो हम डिटेल में और डिस्कस करेंगे. इसके जो लोकेशंस हैं, दैट इज़ इन साउथ अफ्रीका, जोहान्सबर्ग. आप वहाँ पे 6 महीने रहोगे. फ्रॉम फेबररी टू जुलाई यू विल बी इन जोहान्सबर्ग, एंड फ्रॉम कंपाला टू युगांडा you will be from August to January. So this is the entire 12 months fellowship, yani for 1 year fellowship. Let's understand in detail. So actually, what are the partner institutions you will be working? First is International Union for Scientific Study of Population, WITS, Institute for Social and Economic Research, Institute on Inequalities in Global Health, and Initiative for Social and Economic Rights. So what are they looking? So I think you need to understand in detail in their website. So they have the website of International Union for the Scientific Study of Population. So they study population, they study ethics, and they help in the human rights. Right, so just to understand about their mission, vision, history, governing board, and what are the details, what they work. Right, so you need to just understand in detail. I'm just uh, giving you a short analysis. They used to organize seminar, workshop, they used to organize training, distance learning, they used to organize support system. Also they have a different institutions जो पॉलिसी पॉपुलेशन एथिक्स और ह्यूमन राइट्स पे काम करते हैं. Coming to the part, what is the support? So the IUSSP and its partners are grateful for support from the International Development Research Center, Canada, that makes this fellowship associate activities possible. So International Development Research Center, Canada is also partner of this. So there are, I think, 5 institutions. They have designed this fellowship, this beautiful fellowship, and they are conducting this fellowship for 1 year. Let's understand what is the fellowship. So they are jointly issuing a global call for applications. 3 early career research practitioner professional for 12 months. So either you are a researcher, either you are a practitioner working on the ground. This is for you. Fellowship require a full-time commitment of 12 months. Residence period fellowship will be 6 months at YSR, Johannesburg, and 6 months at ISER, Uganda. Right? The fellowship program will include support for individual and group research project, interactive dialogues, seminars, research practitioners, workshops that seek to unpack interdisciplinary perspective with a particular focus. So entirely, most part of your fellowship will be for the research. You will be conducting research, we will be conducting workshops. Applications will be accepted from low income and middle income countries. India is also part of that. राइट, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट जियोग्राफिक्स. सो आप इंडिया से अप्लाई कर सकते हो. द फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम इज डिजाइन टू बी इमर्सिव, मतलब यू विल बी ऑन ग्राउंड. फेलोज विल बी इन फुल टाइम रेजिडेंस फॉर 6 months, and all sponsor organization will play a key role in supporting fellows in their research. Right, so what is the background? So this initiative is designed to nurture a new generation of scholars. So different institutions came up, and they are just supporting them. So deeper interdisciplinary collaborations are required to address emerging ethics and human rights challenges. So they are just conducting research to understand what are the challenges for human rights, ethics, economic law, public policy, demographic, public health. So let's understand what is the qualifications, what are the instructions. So expected output, what they are asking, Uh, but before that, the program is designed for early career professionals. Means if you have a 2, 3 year, 4 year experience in your career, this is for you. Scholar, either you complete your PhD, either you are in PhD, either you before the PhD, and others will interest population register systems who possess the skills and commitment to use the fellowship experience to provide leadership in improving emerging ethics, bring a depth of expertise and knowledge about ethics and rights issues, right? And coming expected outcome क्या होना चाहिए? A series of articles, right? And then educational requirement, either a complete PhD or at least 3 year professional. So या तो आपने PhD complete किया हो या फिर आपने 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस हो पोस्ट योर मास्टर्स, देन यू विल बी एलिजिबल. लैंग्वेज रिक्वायरमेंट, प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंसी इन इंग्लिश. सो अगर आपका प्रोफेशनल इंग्लिश है देन आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू अप्लाई फॉर इट. स्टाइपेंड, फेलोशिप स्टाइपेंड विल बी $27,500 फॉर 12 months, राइट, कवरिंग ऑल योर लिविंग एक्सपीरियंसेस. आपका रहने का, खाने का, एवरीथिंग विल बी कवर्ड. Now, administrative cost like health insurance, visa cost also will be given. Travel cost also will be given. If you have any other queries, like this is the like they have given the email ID. Now, application link is in the description, right? So you can apply from there. I will be given. So what is requirement? So 2 references will be required. One cover letter that will briefly address, they have given the pointers for cover letter: relevant professional achievement, full course record, 2 page letter explaining why you want this fellowship, right? What inspired you to apply for this fellowship, potential leadership in addressing emerging. So these are the pointers you need to write, right? Coming to the up to date CV require description of proposed research. So if you feel that you would like to conduct a research during this fellowship, you can propose the research to them. So your proposal will be project title, abstract and everything, like the component of the proposal is there, are there. Coming to the final part, as I said earlier to you, in funding as well, you just mention in the proposal the funding part as well. Okay, so coming to the part, the finally that last date is 31st August, but better would be as soon as you can apply, I think the better would be for you. So for any support, as I shared earlier, you can reach out to the Step Ahead team. So we are the voluntary group of fellows who have done the different fellowships, and we support the people. Contact details, link, QR code is linked to our Telegram channel is available. So I think finally, if you are interested in research, either you have completed your PhD, are you interested in the international exposure, fellowship is for you, but you have to be little serious and you have to commit some time, as well as you have to give your efforts to qualify for it, because this is international fellowship. So I think you need to put a lot of efforts. Thanks a lot. If you require any support, all the links for this fellowship application and everything is in the description. If you require any other support, you can reach out to us anytime. These are the contact details. Thank you so much. All the best. Stay happy, stay healthy, and step ahead.